My mate Adam Swanson is cooking me a delightful couscous salad today.
Yeah, I want to show you how easy couscous is, Just. Yeah, people get caught up in worrying, how much liquid do you put? How long does it need to sit? But it's really simple, and we're using the San Remo wholemeal couscous.
Fantastic. And couscous, it's instant, the ones that we get at the supermarket.
Yeah.
So, well, it says it all, doesn't it? It's very fast to do.
Definitely. So we need to get 2 cups on the go of our wholemeal couscous.
Yep.
When we're adding liquid, with your wholemeal couscous, it needs an extra cup, yeah?
Okay.
So basically, we're going to put 2 in and 3 cups of liquid. And I'm using vegetable stock today.
Yes,
Nice
sure.
piping hot veggie stock that we just zapped.
What's the taste difference between a regular wheat couscous and a whole wheat couscous?
Well, it's obviously got that nice nuttiness, which gives us beautiful taste, but it's also great in protein, high in protein and full of fibre, which is good for you, yeah?
Very nice.
So real easy. Into a bowl. Now, step number 1 is a nice large bowl, allowing, obviously, it's got to take on all the moisture and grow, yeah? So don't put it into a small bowl. Straight in with the hot liquid.
Yep.
Give it a little shake. No need to stir. Just getting all the couscous down.
Yep.
Okay?
Cover it up.
Cover it up. Let it go to sleep.
It only needs a slight nap because it absorbs all that liquid very quickly.
Yeah, 100%. So put that to the side, like so, and we get on to making our salad. So Just, I'm going to get you on to making the dressing. So we have a lemon, which I need you to juice, some apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, pomegranate molasses. All right?
And my favourite, mustard.
You like mustard, huh?
I like
This is
mustard.
Very good. And some olive oil, of course. So I just need you to mix all that together.
I love using pomegranate molasses. It's got this sort of tangy, slightly sweet flavour and great for dressings just like this.
Definitely. I'm adding pear to this salad, Just, with the rocket, which is a traditional Italian combination, yeah?
Yep.
Typically with blue cheese, gorgonzola. But this being a superfood salad, we've got all these other wonderful good things here for you, okay?
Yep.
So we have some wonderful pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and one of my favourites, Just, pistachios.
You always like to say pistachio.
All right, I roll it. Yeah, pistachios, pistachio, whatever you like.
No, I'm just teasing you.
It's okay.
So lemon juice goes in.
Yes.
We'll give that a mix.
So this type of salad you could make as obviously having a barbecue, a big gathering, or you can have this as a nice side component to your dish, yeah? Imagine you've got a bit of grilled chicken or fish or steak or whatever it may be. The wholemeal couscous is perfect. And what I like the most, you can make this a day in advance, okay? Have all the ingredients ready to go, have the couscous made, sitting in the fridge. Friends and family come over, Just whip it all together, done in minutes.
So good. Nice one. I like that. Okay, so that's mixed in nicely. It's emulsified.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
Shall I have a taste to make sure it's seasoned correctly?
Please do.
Okay. Pretty happy with that. Maybe a bit of salt. Extra salt.
Fantastic.
Okay, done. All right, Swanee, what's next?
Well, let's have a look at our couscous, Just. Let's take off the wrap.
Swelled up nicely.
It has, hasn't it?
Yep.
Now, this is how easy couscous really is, okay? Grab a fork and just run it across the top like so. You separate all that wonderful little couscous.
Isn't that therapeutic when you're doing that?
It is, but you know what? People stress out, Just. They think, oh, I can't do it. It's all going to clump together. That's
I think
it.
this is the only critical thing when it comes to couscous. Just don't mix it straight away. Use a fork to separate each individual grain so it's fluffy.
Definitely. Now, Just, I need you to get me some pomegranate little seeds, kernels out.
Sabotage. I love this job, but you do want to make sure you're careful because these gorgeous little ruby seeds inside, when you are getting them out, some of the juices do go everywhere. So make sure you do it from a distance,
You are
right?
wearing the perfectly colour-coordinated dress there for the pomegranate, Just. So well done.
I'm going to use a heavy spoon to take the seeds out. Where are we putting this in?
Let's get a nice large bowl.
Sure.
So you can...
Well, this is a good idea. So if you put the pomegranate into the bowl, come on. I think you're more worried than me. I'll be careful and not be silly with the pomegranate.
No, you're doing a great job.
So I think that is the easiest way to get the pomegranate seeds out. Okay.
Nice, thank you.
And do the other side.
So look at that couscous. See that, Just? I love it. It's seriously, this, like I said, can be done a day in advance, okay? Just put it into an airtight container, keep it in the fridge, and you've got it ready. And let's just say you didn't want to do salad, you want something hot. You can just zap this in the microwave, literally for 30 seconds, maybe some garlic butter over the top. There's another little side dish.
All right, done.
Lovely. So, time to fold in our couscous. Just get that into the bowl, like so. Wonderful. In with our pear.
Sure.
Rainy pear, separate all that. Pistachios, please.
Yours, in they go.
Yeah, in they go. Awesome. Our pumpkin seeds, in they go. sunflower seeds. Rocket.
Bit of pepperiness there.
Yeah, definitely. And I'll get you just to roughly chop up that parsley for us. Nice. Just a little bit of extra cracked pepper as well, Just. And this dish, look, is really rustic. It's a nice, big, healthy salad. So I'm just gonna mix this a little bit with your hands, all right? You gotta get in there with this one, okay? Make sure you wash your hands and get you drizzle that dressing over the top. Perfect, perfect.
A whole lot, why not?
100%, I couldn't agree with you more. Now, mix that dressing through.
Oh, I love the colour of the pomegranate coming out there.
They were hiding there, but I got them out. So we're just gonna nice and evenly spread this across our serving dish.
Very good.
I love it. Perfect, perfect.
Gorgeous.
There we go.
Very nice. A lovely side salad. We're showing off wholemeal couscous. It is yummy, particularly because it's quite nutty.
Yeah, and it's so simple to make. No need to stress. In a big bowl, liquid, cover it, and fork.
Far too easy.